This is called a cross break, and it just makes the metal pop less. When air is rushing through the ductwork, it puts an outward pressure on the sheet metal. If you cross break it, it just makes it stronger than a flat piece of sheet metal. Sometimes you hear when your furnace blower comes on, when the fan comes on to either heat and cool the house, sometimes you may hear what sounds like thunder, call it a ductwork pop. Chances are it's just ductwork just kind of popping, and when sheet metal is attached to sheet metal, that sound transfers really, really well, and you hear just kind of that cross-breaking larger pieces of sheet metal just makes it stronger than flat sheet metal. So anytime I make a transition over 10 inches tall, I cross-break it from corner to corner. It looks nice, and it gives it a little bit more structural ability to prevent that popping or thunderous noise coming through the house every time the fan kicks on.